Hi everyone! Today we're going to share the unboxing of our hottest renewed player HD-2214, using which you can easily turn any of your TVs into remotely managed digital signage powered by Look service. We've just received it from our manufacturer and we certainly can't wait to look inside. Let's begin from the unboxing itself, and then I'll show you how simple you can plug this device into your screen and start to broadcast your content from wherever and whenever you want. So the box seems to be of quite a good quality as expected. Here we have a product image, our logo, and the main specifications of the device. As you can see, it has 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, pretty powerful Android 7.1 inside, supports up to 4K resolution, which looks pretty impressive I believe. Both Wi-Fi and LAN connection to the internet are available. Also, I need to say that it has modern powerful quad-core CPU, and this fact undoubtedly influences on the final performance of the device. Well, now let's open the box and take a look at what we've got inside. So this is the player itself in an additional package. Let's take it out. Yeah, smells like the new one, because the new one is. Okay. To be honest guys, it's really well done job. The case material is pretty nice to touch. Here we have HDMI connector, SD card slot, couple of USB inputs, power and LAN inputs as well. So let's postpone the player for a while and check other stuff included in the kit. Good. Here's an HDMI extender that can be readily useful if the player does not connect to your screen properly, due to the player's size of the screen's housing features for instance. Also, we have the universal power supply with several removable power plugs. There are types A, C and G, which also can be compatible with the most of other existing types of the power sockets. This is a very convenient option to my mind. I suppose this is all for the unboxing stage of this video. Now let's plug our player to the TV and look what will happen. Just power up the player and put it into HDMI input of your TV. Then select HDMI source using remote. Now you need to connect the player to the internet. You could make it using LAN cable or just by setup Wi-Fi. In order to arrange it, connect your PC mouse to the player using USB input and choose a needed network. Once your player is connected, you'll get the 6 digits of initialization code on your screen. As you can see, the player is fully plug and play, thanks to the pre-installed Look firmware inside. Now you only need to go to your personal account in the Look Content Manager using app.lookit.hk. Click Add Screen and enter your 6 digits into the required field. Well, your digital signage is ready to go, and you can start to play your content on it and manage all the settings remotely. Isn't it quite easier than could be expected? In case you'd like to try this powerful and easy-to-use item by yourself, please contact our sales team at sales@lookit.hk. In order to start your exploring of the Look service in a 14 days free trial period, kindly follow the link below. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching.